Hey there! Recently, high-quality official images of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 in all their color options were leaked. The Z Fold 6 comes in three main colors. The standout color is a gray shade that resembles the titanium variant of the S24 Ultra. It looks really sleek, although it's not confirmed if the Z Fold 6 shares the same titanium build as the S24 Ultra. Sure. For the first time, we're getting a good look at the bezels of the Galaxy Z Fold 6's inner display. They appear quite similar to those on the Z Fold 5. However, the outer screen has seen a significant upgrade with slim and uniform bezels, similar to those on the S24 Ultra. The hinge has also been made slimmer this time, making the phone more compact when folded. Samsung is introducing two new colors for the Z Fold 6, navy blue and light pink. This marks the first time they've used pink in the Fold lineup. Besides these three colors, Samsung will offer exclusive online colors, black and white, which you can only get by purchasing the phone directly from Samsung's website. Now, regarding S Pen support for the Z Fold 6, it's good news. The phone still works with the stylus. From the leaks, it seems the design of the S Pen hasn't changed much. However, rumors suggest it will come with some new features with the Z Fold 6. One of these rumored features is a sketch-to-image generation function, similar to what Apple has showcased. Sure, Samsung is offering a variety of official cases for the Z Fold 6, giving you plenty of options to personalize your phone. They're also running a promotion where you can get $50 in credit just for reserving their next Galaxy. Additionally, one lucky person who signs up could win $5,000. Signing up is free. You just need to provide your name and email. No credit cards required. You'll receive the $50 credit to use towards your pre-order later. During the pre-order period, there are potential savings of up to $1,500, making it a great deal with no commitment required. You can find the reservation link in the description below. Samsung has posted some interesting information on their website about the improvements they've made with each new Galaxy Fold model over the years. They've highlighted how they've reduced the weight and thickness over time. Now, if you're curious about the improvements in the Z Fold 6, here's the scoop. The Z Fold 6 will weigh just 239 grams. This is impressive because it's almost in the same weight range as the S24 Ultra. The Z Flip 6 doesn't have any major design changes compared to its predecessor. The main noticeable change is that the rings around the two rear-facing cameras now match the device's color. Color options for the Z Flip 6 include gray, blue, green, and yellow. Samsung also offers official cases for the Z Flip 6, giving you more ways to personalize your device. What do you think about the Galaxy Z Fold 6? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Also, subscribe to our channel for more awesome tech videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next video.
We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that